I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm that only vibrates rather than ringing on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our clock app, and we'll make sure to be in the alarms tab. It's the bottom middle one here. We also have world clock, stopwatch, and timers. So let's go to alarms, and here we'll click the plus button on the top right for a new alarm. Now set this to whatever time you like. Doesn't matter, whatever works for you. You can label this alarm as whatever you'd like. I'm going to put test there, and then here on the sound section where it says radial, we'll tap that, and instead of having it be radial, we'll scroll all the way to the bottom and click none. So there will be no sound. So now we also want to make sure this vibrates. So we're going to slide all the way up to the top and select haptics. And we're going to choose whichever one of these vibrations best suits us. And we can even make custom vibrations as well. So once you select the vibration that you like the best, which it will test for you when you select it, then you can just go back to sound, click back again, and then you can click save, and you now have a new alarm that basically just vibrates and doesn't have any sound.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.